Hey guys, this is Dr. Shoaib Singha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna discuss about a very important topic from the microbiology, that is dermatophytes. So guys, let us start. First of all, there are two type of conidias, macroconidia and the microconidia in the dermatophytes. So guys, what are the difference between macro and micro? It's a very important topic. So look at this. First of all, trichophyton. In the trichophyton, macroconidias are absent, but there are microconidias in the trichophyton are of pencil shaped. And then we have microsporum, in which there are macroconidia of spindle or the boat shaped, and the microconidia are absent in the microsporum. So microconidia are absent. Third, we have epidermophyton, in which there are macroconidias of the club shape, but there are no microconidias. So guys, in the trichophyton we have three structures are involved. First, skin, hair and nails. So there are only microconidia but not macroconidias. But in the left two, microsporum and the epidermophyton, microsporum is absent and the microconidia are absent and the macroconidia are present and of the different shapes. So guys, let us see the shapes of these tricho. First of all, this is the trichophyton, and guys, you can see here it is of a pencil shape. This is a pencil shape of the trichophyton, guys. So this is a trichophyton and it includes, as you know, skin, hair and the nails. Coming to the next. So guys, this is a microsporum, which include skin and the hair, and these are the spindle shaped. These are the spindle shaped microsporum. Now guys, these are the epidermophyton, which include skin and the nails, and these are of the club shape. These are the club shaped epidermophytons. You can remember epidermo means epidermis. So epidermis is included in the skin and the nails, but not in the hairs. Now guys, a very important topic, trichophytons. I will be explaining you some of the points, very important points of the trichophytons. So first of all, trichophyton metagraphite. So this trichophyton metagraphite causes carrion, a condition known as carrion. You can see here, these are the carrion, this is the carrion. And guys, a very important topic, this trichophyton metagraphite causes the hair perforation test positive. This causes hair perforation test positive, and this for this year NEET question. Hair perforation test positive in the trichophyton metagraphite. Now guys, there also one more test known as hair bait test, and this is given by trichophyton agioli. So this is positive by the trichophyton agioli. And now coming to the next, trichophyton shilloni. For this, it causes the favus, and this is the condition favus. You can see here on the scalp, this is the favus condition. Now guys, there are two type of perforation in which the fungus can go inside the hair, or the fungus is on the outer side of the hair. So that is, which goes inside is known as endothrix, and which goes outside is the ectothrix. So guys, endothrix, these are three fungus which can causes the endothrix. We can learn by T, V and the S. So TVS is a tonsurens Trichophyton tonsurus, Trichophyton violacum, and Trichophyton saunderae. So these are three fungus which causes the endothrix, and these endothrix can further cause multiple black dots on the scalp, as you can see here. These are the multiple black dots on the scalp. So this is the endothrix. You can remember by TVS. Now guys, ectothrix we can remember by the MAC. So Trichophyton metagraphite, this was a fungus, Trichophyton metagraphite, which causes the carrion, and A for Microsporum accidenti. So guys, this is a Microsporum, this is not Trichophyton, this is Microsporum accidenti, and the C for Microsporum canis. So these two are the Microsporum, and above is only Trichophyton. So this is a MAC, you can remember by MAC. So these ectothrix causes the scaly patches, as you can see here. This is a carrion, and they also it causes the scaly patches of the ectothrix. Now guys, this was the video guys, and it's a very important topic guys. This is Dr. Shvek Singla signing off. Bye bye.